Being from Texas, barbecue is the top of the food chain for us. The people of Round Rock have really accepted us. Voted #1 barbecue in the Reader's Poll, and there's a reason for that. I think what sets Liberty apart is John Brotherton. He is an amazing barbecue pitmaster.
My background is barbecue, but I've really been infatuated with barbecue for, I'd say, the last probably 10 years. If you're a first-time customer, especially if you're coming from out of state, you have to get the Texas Trinity, and that's brisket, pork ribs, and sausage. We're pretty simple on salt, pepper, garlic on our rubs, and it gets a nice bath of post oak smoke for roughly 15 hours. We have a world-class chef, one of the best chefs that I've ever had the opportunity to work with. He's really good.
I'm Marvin Briley, and I'm the executive chef at Liberty Barbecue. John is the smoke king, like I'll always say. He has those meats down. He knows temperatures, seasonings, everything of that nature to make a perfect piece of meat.
John Brotherton's like a mad scientist. He's always creating more dishes. And along with that, we have a chef, Marv. And Marv is an amazing chef. Together, they're like the dynamic duo. They should be wearing capes, but they don't. We are not the traditional barbecue in sense of, most barbecue places are a line service.
Well, here we have a finer experience where you're able to sit down, get a cocktail.
Awesome servers, awesome bartenders.
And we're open on the weekends until midnight with live music. And it's a great place to start your evening with a date. Come and have a cocktail.
Get some different items that wouldn't normally be on an everyday barbecue here in Central Texas.
A flatbread, which is basically a barbecue pizza.
Another appetizer that we truly enjoy and that the guests enjoy are the deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs, that's just a gateway to deliciousness.
They have a bacon bourbon jam that's on top of them, which is cooked for about 6 hours. All the things that we have put together, have just been a little bit different from your everyday just slice and plate barbecue. So we're a little bit different because we're not a big corporation, we're moms and pops, and so we do everything with love here.
To open a business downtown on Round Rock, it's a great honor. We always wanted to carry on business here in Round Rock.
The city has done so much to really make the area stand out and make the city stand out.
You have a lot of nice food in Austin, but you also have a lot of upcoming places here in Round Rock, and I like to keep things local. You don't have to travel so far.
Round Rock is what Austin really wanted to be without the hustle and bustle and congestion.
We constantly keep evolving, adding menu items. Last December, we celebrated our 1-year anniversary, and we plan on many more years to come.